Few years ago, people were getting paid for their mastery in MS Excel, fluency in English, and for having a degree from a reputed college. But if I consider 2026, I would say things are completely different. You are not valued for replying emails, summarizing reports, or creating spreadsheets. Then the question here arises like, for what am I going to get valued, and what are some important skills which I should master right now to stay relevant in the future? Well, I'll be answering all these questions in this video, and I'll be sharing, I would say, three skills which you should master if you want to stay valuable in the era of AI. So, starting with the skill number one in my list is going to be like this, that you must be a problem solver. Problem solver. Well, if you see around, you'll find that companies are not following traditional ways to hire people anymore, and they don't care about your educational qualifications as well. The thing they care about is if you are able to add value to their corporation business or not. If you are able to, they will pay you and they will value you. If you are not, they are going to kick you out. So, be a person who is able to think logically, analyze solutions, and solve problems rather than thinking, what should I do? So, this is the first skill. The second skill in my list is going to be that a person must master the skill of adaptability. Well, technology is changing faster than ever. 5 years ago, no one used to talk about generative AI. If we talk about the current scenario, generative AI is everywhere. So be flexible with the changing technology. Rather than refusing to use AI, thinking AI will replace me, adopt this technology to come up with better and more and perfect results and outcomes. So this is the second skill which I want you to master. The third skill which I want you to master is using AI efficiently. Using AI efficiently. Well, for this, I'm going to say that this skill is going to be one of the biggest skill of this decade because individuals able to use AI tools efficiently are obviously going to outperform those who don't. So try to make AI so you, and if you are not able to, you will be kicked out of the league. So start using AI effectively by providing context, better options, better questions, expected outcomes to get the best results from these tools. So these are the three skills which I want you to consider, and if you have any doubts, you can consider commenting and I would love to answer it. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.